Hello and welcome to Ask Your Dad. Right, okay, today I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to use your LG 9kg washing machine as a spin dryer. Right, okay, it's an LG 9kg as you see. What you do here, you don't see anything for spin dry. You just don't have a setting for it by the looks of it. Over here is different settings here, but how to select just the spin dryer. So what you do is you fire it up and you leave it on that default setting there. Then you move over here and then you press the spin button. Okay, right now you can see it's the 1400 spin at 15 minutes. Okay, so every time you press the spin you can say no, you don't want to spin at all, you know, or you can say okay, 400, 800. Each time you touch it, it goes to different settings. Yep, that's it. So you pick whichever one you want, 1400, say 15 minutes, then you hit start, and that's it. It's as simple as that. Enjoy.